Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we will be restoring these beauties from the 77th.
and we know that because they have a label on the back, and we love when a piece of furniture have like a label or any piece of information that we can get from their past.
Anyway, let's get into it and show you how we did it step by step.
Let's do it!
I was going to use the heat gun to remove the paint, but first I tried to remove with a putty knife on a corner to see if it's working, and the paint just went off, so I was keep using it all over, so no need for a heat gun on this occasion. I used an 80 grit sandpaper to remove the leftover paint and also the old varnish, and we need to sand it to bare wood actually to reveal its beauty. Once I was done sanding with 80 grit, I smoothed out the wood with 400 grit, and it's time for cleaning. I cleaned the whole piece with white lightening Dixie Belle Furniture cleaner. This is a crucial step before moving forward with the process. Once I was done cleaning, I rinsed it twice only with water to remove any leftover solution or dirt.
I really wanted to get rid of that yellow tint on the wood, so I created a custom shade to do a color wash with. I combined 1 full spoon of Sand Bar with 3/4 of putty. I mixed and then I added water until it had this runny, thick consistency. First, I damped the drawer with water and I started to apply it all over. Afterwards, I took a cloth to wipe the excess paint, but once I start doing it, I realized the paint needs to be a bit more diluted. I diluted the paint in the bowl, but on this drawer, I just added some water straight on it. I just love this shade and the way the wood peeks through. It's stunning. I will carry on doing the same on the rest of the piece, so I will see you a bit later. We left the piece to cure for quite a few hours, and then I sealed it with 3 layers of gator hide all over. Gator hide gives a durable protection, water repellent, and a satin finish. Also, we let each layer to cure for about 2 hours before applying the next one. this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, or it inspired you in any way. And if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and hope to see you again soon. Bye!